In today's video, we will cover how to access and redeem Citi Costco rewards. Watch until the end to learn all the essential details. If you hold a Costco Anywhere Visa Card, you can earn impressive cashback rewards from your purchases. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to access and use your rewards. First, visit Citi.com using your web browser or launch the Citi mobile app on your device. Log in with your account user ID and password to access your account. Your paperless reward certificate is typically issued with the February billing statement, and it can also be sent to you via email and regular mail. Once you have your reward certificate, present it at any U.S. Costco location to redeem it for cash, merchandise, or goods. It's important to note that Citi Costco reward certificates expire on December 31st of the year they are issued, so you must use them before the end of the year. By following these simple steps, you can easily redeem your Citi Costco rewards. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.